Welcome to a penthouse suite with a large balcony. As you enter into this beautiful room, you'll notice the extraordinary finishings as well as the large living space in this awesome room. This room is approximately 880 square feet. You'll see a dining table and a Murphy bed in the wall and accommodations up to 6 people. There's a large flat screen TV, a full-sized couch, and a full-sized desk complete with a refrigerator.
There is a separate closet area to store your clothes in this penthouse suite. As you walk into the oversized bathroom, you'll notice a separate bathroom area, a large shower, and a jetted tub. There are also 2 sinks and plenty of bathroom counter space to put your toiletries.
As you walk out onto the balcony, you'll now see why this is called a penthouse with a large balcony. This oversized balcony truly is huge. With a few lounger chairs, a cover for shade, or the ability to sit in the sun, this balcony provides you with the top deck feels in the privacy of your own stateroom. You'll also have the ability to connect balconies together to create an even larger balcony.